Hey everyone, it's Lizzie from Lizzie's World of Gems. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing from Dreamers Designs. This is one of their overseas kits. This is the one I want to try to do for March. So I'm going to open up the plastic because I haven't yet. I bought this with some of my Christmas money from my friend Tia. And I thought, why not do this one for March, because it's small enough with the other projects before Splish, Splash, Spring Bash, which we don't really know. We thought we had a canvas pick for that one, but we might decide to do one of the newer canvases that are coming out. So that is why we haven't decided yet what we're doing. So this is the Dreamers Design box. It doesn't come with the nice handle that it used to. I don't know if they just took that away. They have the holes here for the handle, but the handle isn't on it anymore. And I'm not sure if it's because it's an overseas kit, that's why it doesn't have it. But I'm going to open it up and we'll take a look. So, still comes in the nice Dreamers Designs bag. It's not a organza bag. I'm not. It's like a cotton bag, kind of like. But it keeps the painting nice. Then they all come with this super cute ribbon that you can take off, which I'm going to. Then the drills all come individually bagged on the overseas ones. Here is there is my sheet. And then it comes with this nice soft bag that has all your diamond painting tools that you need to complete a diamond painting. So we're going to open it up. And see what we have. To the new owners of Dreamers Designs, because you guys are probably a really rich company, I'm not even gonna lie. Maybe you guys should upgrade your trays to a little bit better one, like Diamond Art Club. Just saying, with the lid, spout, stopper. Just saying, these are kind of neat too. They do the job. These, I feel, are useless. I would never use these. I would never use that. Comes with 2 squishies, 1 pen. There's got to be another pen. And 2 pens. One with a plastic tip. The plastic tips are good for square, not squares, rounds, which this is a square. So, comes with 2 things of wax. Instead of giving 2, you guys could have put more than 1 here and saved some money on the container. A straightener and the thick placers, which I don't use any of these anyways. I use some metal ones. And then you have some nice branded tweezers, I'm pretty sure. Oh, yeah, Dreamers Designs tweezers. I do like that they come with a bigger boat, but I find this boat, I would have preferred a little white one other than that big pink boat. So I feel like the latch will break really easily on that. But it's not like I use any of their tools anyway. So this is a kit that I bought. So it's called Flora and the Fable by Clara Jo. And look at it. Isn't it so stinking cute? I love all the colors. And you know, I am a sucker for girls with big eyes. If you haven't understood my palette yet, you will understand that that is what I like. And I'm going to open this up so we can look at it. I'm going to, I don't know why Dreamers rolls it that way instead of with the painting out, but that's what they do. And oh my gosh, look at it. Isn't it so stinking cute? Like, I could work this up really, really quickly. I feel like I just want to start it now and kit it up now, because I think it's so adorable. Isn't it so stinking cute? And then here's the puppy. Look at the puppy. It looks so cute. It has 60 colors, and it has a Dreamer Dust, which is the white, and then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs. What are you doing to me, Dreamers? I hate ABs. Maybe I'll switch them out to dust if I have any. They're here all at the end. Are you flipping kidding me? For the Dustrals, are you kidding me, Dreamers Designs? For the Dustrals, it's only here. And that's all you get of Dustrals. This is my first kit of Dreamers Designs with Dustrals, and this is all I get. So disappointed. I'm so disappointed right now. 2 blues, ABs. 2 green ABs, which will obviously be in the background. And probably in her hair. No, it looks like it's just in the flowers. What's in her hair? No, there's none in her hair. Just right there. Is that really her hair? And there's some right there. In her eyes. So disappointing. Orange is probably in the flowers. Yeah. So disappointing. But it is what it is. I'm sure it will still turn out well in the end. Such a cute image. Love it. She looks like me, doesn't she? I'm just joking. It has 60 colors, which is quite a bit of color. I love all the color in this. It really pops. All these stickers are removable for to do your containers if you choose, or you can just put them on the baggies and use the baggies, but I don't do that. I like to put everything in containers. And this is the part I love about Dreamers Designs, is their stickers are all individually cut. And I like these here too for your logbook. I even put this on my water ball at work so everybody knows that Lizzie loves to diamond paint on her days off. But anyway, isn't it so stinking cute? I love it. Kind of disappointed that that's the only place that has the fairy has the Dreamer Dust. Sorry, the Dreamer Dust. I hope that Dreamers Designs watches this video and realizes that they need a lot more Dustrals, because you got to keep up with the time, Dreamers. You got to keep up with the time and start putting more Dustrals in your kits, and forget about the ABs. Now, Some of you guys may think, no, Liz, I love the ABs and I don't like the fairy dust. Let me know down in the comments down below. Are you AB girl or are you a dust drill girl? Because I love my dust drills. They're more easier to place. They don't make you frustrated. Like every time I use ABs, I get so frustrated. What does AB stand for? It stands for Aurora Borealis. It's just got a shimmering coat on the top that kind of looks like the Northern Lights. Because it's all, like, it sparkles all different colors. But they're very hard to place. Very, very hard to place. So, yeah. I am for sure a dust girl because the dust drill, the coating is embedded in the drill, so it doesn't stick to your hand, like to your pen, like the ABs do. But I tell you, I love me some dust drills, and kind of sad that that's all there was, just right there on the dog. Makes me upset a little bit. Wanted more. I feel like she needs dust drill purple in her dress. I might do that if I have some. With that said, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you guys loved my new canvas. Flora. She is so cute. Flora and the Fab. This must be the Fab. Fabulicious. Till next time, guys, take care, and I will see you in the next one. I'm going to heart all you. I gotta get better with my hearts. Look. Take heart. Bye. Hey guys, it's me again. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe to this video. And hit that notification bell and it'll remind you whenever I load up a video. I'd be super tickled pink. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye.